So dear friends, it's pretty easy to use background music on your video projects in Kinemaster. Just follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. First, look at the right side. You get an audio option here. So click on it. Yeah, you get some music here, but I suggest you not to use any music from here because these are all copyrighted music. So to avoid copyright claim, you gotta use your own voiceover or your own copyright-free music. So you gotta go to your own folders. Look at the left side, here's some music, short music, SFX, and recorded songs and albums. Select albums to go to your own folders. Now whatever music folders are there in your phone, all the music folders will be displayed here. Now select the respective music folder that you kept your music in. For example, download. And there are so many musics that I downloaded on my phone. Now select the music that you want to use in your video project, like this. To use this music, just click on this plus icon. Now adjust the music with the video clip, like this. So this is how you can add music to your video projects. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more of those kind of Kinemaster tutorial videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.